In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Ads to HubSpot. This guide will walk you through the steps of integrating these two powerful platforms to enhance your marketing efforts. Let's dive right into the details so you can get this set up effortlessly. First things first, navigate to your HubSpot account. If you're already familiar with navigating HubSpot, this should be straightforward. You want to locate the user guide, which provides helpful insights and support throughout the integration process. Simply log into your account by going to the official HubSpot login page and entering your credentials. Once inside, look for the User Guide section. This can easily be found in your account's navigation panel, usually under a tab denoted for Help or Guides. With the User Guide open, you're now ready to head to the marketplace. This is an essential hub where you can find various apps that integrate seamlessly with HubSpot. Clicking on the marketplace icon will take you to a broad range of app selections, specifically curated for enhancing your business processes. Next, you need to focus your search on finding the Google Ads app. Click on the Apps section within the marketplace. This is where all available apps are listed. Once you're in the right place, it's time to narrow down your search. In the search bar provided in this section, type in Google Ads. The marketplace search is typically intuitive, so entering the correct keyword will bring up the desired app in no time. Now, let's move on to selecting Google Ads from the search results. Once you've located the app, click on it to open its page. This page will present you with detailed information about what the app does, specific features, user ratings, and other relevant insights. It's always a good idea to familiarize yourself with these details to understand exactly what you're installing. Finally, with the Google Ads app page open, you'll see an option that says Install App. Clicking on this button will initiate the process of adding Google Ads to your suite of HubSpot tools. Follow the prompts, which may include logging into your Google account to authorize access. Once installed, Google Ads will be integrated into your HubSpot account, opening up a myriad of possibilities for streamlined advertising campaigns, enhanced reporting, and efficient tracking. Don't forget to explore the various settings and customization options available for maximizing the benefits of this integration. So, there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully connected Google Ads to HubSpot, enhancing your marketing toolkit. This integration will empower you to optimize your advertising strategies effectively. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide useful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out or consult the HubSpot Support Center for more in-depth help.